And Max is going to get to everything.
He will. You have to just have it
0
rolling
serves
out.
1.
Yeah.
Like anyone else, that ball was going past, but
Oh, 100%. But he just puts his hand out and he'll probably more than likely get to it.
shovels for hands.
Oh, exactly.
I thought you had a shot at
It'd
it,
be great
David. Sorry.
on the farm.
I thought you had an angle to see it. Sorry.
I'm not
David,
too sure. Was he calling
Zero
a block?
I
or
think,
is
Uh,
he-
I
sorry,
think
that's
he
the
was
point.
coming with a block, all right.
1 serves 1.
He couldn't see it.
Coleman McGrath's ref in here. He played Daniel Relihan in the game before. 2 great games. But
Some
fair
brilliant
play to him.
shots in them games as
2
well.
serves
actually.
Yeah,
1.
yeah. Coleman was all over the place, and so was Daniel. He's just sensational as usual. But yeah, fair play to him here, reffing.
I have to
It's
say,
so
all
hard.
the first round games are absolute
That's what I'm
crackers.
3 serves
saying.
1.
Imagine the end of the week, like. It's going to be unbelievable if everyone can hold up for it.
And I think that'll be the biggest. Big miss. David knows it.
Yeah.
4 serves 1. Short. Second serve.
For such a big man, he can get around the court very well.
Yes, he
He
can.
can get very low as well. Like he is striking that
I think
inches off the ground.
I
Point.
think that's why his
5
feet,
serves 1.
like, he's able to do them like trick shots so good. He probably has had to like make a way for him to be able to move. Like, you know, a normal person would probably be able to move their feet or move their body quick, but because he's so tall, I'd say he's had to like create these shots for
Oh,
himself
definitely.
to be able to get done. Oh, that is
ridiculous.
class. Oh, Dave.
I like the way you said
Point.
normal person.
I shouldn't. I didn't
6
even
serves
clap
1.
when I said that. Everyone knows what I mean, though.
Short.
A buck who's 6'8" just has that, like, he's on the
Second serve.
top tier.
He is. He
Definitely
really
on
is
top
now.
tier, like.
He just gets to everything.
I can't believe I said 6'3". He's going to listen back to this and think, what is she on with?
Side out.
Oh, stop.
Now Dave is in on serve. The roles have swapped now. Max is up 6-1. This
Jesus.
is
1 serves 6.
yeah, this is kind of like what the first game went, but for Dave.
Brilliant serve, David.
Great shot, yeah. Great serve.
Two serves 6.
Oh my!
Oh.
Oh wow! The
If he got away with that shot there now,
oh, the
3 serves 6.
definitely
there'd be a
serve.
highlights reel from
Short
the-
ball.
Oh my days!
I call it short. Both disagree. 2 serves.
Oh my
And it was a-
days!
Serious hop on it as well.
2 serves.
That was scandalous. Dave can put so much power and spin on the ball
At the one time.
at the one time. Yeah,
We'll get there someday.
we will. Hopefully, we will. We will.
Oh, stop.
Side out.
No, but
6 serves 3.
It'll be the survival of the fittest this week because
Yeah,
like
that's it.
every match is going to be a dogfight because the standard is so high.
Oh, it's mental. Absolutely mental stuff.
Oh, brilliant
well
get
done.
down the right. Oh,
Go for it. Oh. Okay.
Point.
Yeah, honestly, it's
7 serves
the
3.
body. You have to do such recovery.
Oh, it's unbelievable.
Recovery is massive for these competitions. Like, if you don't have a proper sleep, if you don't get food into you, if you don't do, you know, the basics recovery, then you're definitely going to feel it
Oh,
by the
geez.
end of the week. My
You're
God,
going to feel it regardless, but
Yeah.
it's how you know.
It's how, yeah. Oh,
2.
would have been nice if we got it.
Point.
Yeah, Max is kind of taken off. here.
8
It's
serves
all
3.
Definitely.
8 plays 3.
This is tiebreaker written all over it.
Oh, it really does, yeah. David wants to maybe take a time out or something. Just to try and break momentum.
I think David wants to maybe to get the serve.
Side
maybe.
out.
Yeah. 。
Oh.
I think so.
No, he wants to keep going.
3 serves 8.
Oh. He tried another one behind the back.
Yeah, didn't work for this, I'm afraid. That is
4
just
serves 8.
ridiculous. Oh,
Hold it. Screen serve.
Dave scared himself on that one.
2 serves.
Jeez, he done well to move out of the way.
Yeah, didn't he? The reactions. Oh my god. It doesn't even look like he's putting that much power into it on the serve, like, you know. But obviously he is, like, but it just makes it look so smooth.
It makes it look easy from out here, doesn't it? It's like, oh
really
yeah, I
is,
can go in
like,
and do that, no
definitely.
bother.
100%.
Ah, brilliant shot.
Oh, great shot. Great shot.
Point.
Yeah, great shot all the way to the back.
Timeout. That's your first. Scores 5 serves 8.
Yeah, no, Dave isn't backing down now here.
No, definitely. Both players won't. You
No,
know.
both are very determined.
You know, there's a lot of work and effort being put into both of their games, like, so they're not gonna throw away for nothing.
No,
But,
Dave definitely doesn't want a tiebreaker either.
no,
You want to try and conserve as most
as most.
the most. It's been a long day, Connor. Shut
I
up.
can imagine.
The most energy that he can.
Definitely. Who are they playing into?
20 seconds.
That's a great question. I actually am too sure. Would it be
Here,
Tuesday?
it's not going to be easy regardless. Because
Yeah, it won't. Let me just have a quick look.
a quick gawk,
A
huh?
quick go. Handball scoreboard, actually, for anyone looking for results of any games or any fixtures coming up. Handball scoreboard, they have everything on there.
It's what's the score, isn't it? Or
Know the score.
Sorry, what's the score?
What's the score? Know the score, yeah.
What's the store,
What's
huh?
the story? We are...
Back in. Scores 5
Max
serves
and
8.
David are playing into Leo
Short.
Canales.
Okay.
He got a bye, as far as I know, yeah, against Colin Crehan.
Okay.
Colin Crehan.
When's that?
That'll be tomorrow, 9 a.m.
Second
Jeez,
serve.
that's like,
Oh,
there you go. None, like, I know Max has no choice other than to take it to a tiebreaker, but David will, if
yeah.
at all possible, stay
He
away
will.
from a tiebreaker.
Oh my God.
Hold it.
He will not want one at all. I wonder would that be unavoidable now? Where would that?
5 serves 8.
No, I think it's replay. Yeah, exactly. Especially 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Bright and sparkly. Oh.
Will he call an appeal for the short? I thought it hit the line.
Yeah, I thought it did as well, but Coleman has better view than us now looking down. But
6 serves 8.
John, I completely disagree. I actually
Really?
if
oh, that's a bad miss now by Max.
I'd rather referee from a lower
here.
level, because
7 serves 8.
That's
if
true.
you're looking
actually.
down on it, it's hard to see exactly where the ball bounced.
Yeah, that is true.
David's coming right back into this now.
Together at 8.
Together at 8.
Short.
Short ball, yeah. Dave's looking strong
Second
here
serve.
with these serves.
He is definitely.
I don't know if Max is kind of... I don't know if the diesel light is coming on yet or what, but...
The diesel light. Over Mayo, it's the green diesel light, is it?
Here, relax. We're all straight and narrow down there. What do you want to
Point.
Mr. Mono.
9 serves 8.
Short.
Short.
The Americans
Second
have lovely
serve.
gear as well.
They do. I
Yeah.
just noticed that.
They have
now.
about 3 or 4 of them jerseys in different colours. Ooh. I'd say if you will be attempting to swap.
Oh, quite. I'm actually in February. I swapped a couple of
10
jerseys
serves
for
8.
a couple of beauties.
Really?
Oh,
Did
Short.
you good, did you?
I got
Second serve.
a Mavericks one from
Oh.
a fella that beat me, and
No
he
way.
got a Bond jersey. So don't know who done better.
Yeah.
You know?
Bond is in high demand, like them jerseys.
Very high demand. You should know that.
Exactly.
Anyone in the
exactly.
handball community knows that.
11 serves 8. Short ball.
David's hitting an awful lot of shorts.
Yeah. Don't know now. I want to be careful on the second serve anyways.
Like 11-8. I know you know, Max has to go for his shots, but you know he can get them, and we've seen that he can get them as well. So
he has to be careful. That's
he's
great.
He's playing him around nicely.
No, unlucky.
Timeout.
Yeah, it's probably a clever timeout by Max.
That's your second. Score is 12 serves 8.
I never know. I'm really bad with swapping jerseys because I never know. Like, I don't know if I'm a hoarder, but I'm always kind of like, oh, but what if I miss the jerseys?
Yeah.
Do you miss your Vaughan jersey, like?
I have a couple of them. You
Yeah,
see, so I deliberately bought a couple.
Mayo,
So
but
oh no, well, he's a lovely like white one.
oh, the Seinnteoir one.
Yeah, it was very nice. Now,
Yeah, see that one. But then I'd be like, oh, but what if I want to wear it? Do you know?
Just buy a couple of them, and then you'll never have that problem.
They're like 40. Well, no,
I
I don't
know,
want to be putting down Mayo, but yeah, it's true. If you buy a few, I'm actually putting out a notice to everyone.
Where's this going?
At the Worlds.
5 seconds.
We had lovely Mayo gear. We got it literally just for the one wall, and I had a lovely Mayo jumper.
Was it the GRG?
Yes, it was class. And I left it down after my doubles. I think it was the doubles final. I was wearing it. Left it down on a chair. Gone.
Oh no.
Gone.
12
so
serves 8.
whoever is taking my jumper, I'm on to them. I'd say now someone picked it up by accident, but they were so nice as well, which is killing me.
They were very nice actually.
Killing me.
Shout out to
Back
Keane
in,
Hanley of
scores
GRG.
12
Yes,
serves 8.
yeah, of Ballydreen, isn't he?
Another TUD man.
Yeah, shout out is right. If you can make me another one for free, it'd be great.
I'll get on to Keane, no bother.
Oh,
At a
honestly.
price.
At a pricey, that's the issue. No, honestly, they were lovely jerseys. And shout out, I must say, to Michael
Point.
Lang, who organised it all, and Mark Keenham Butchers.
13
for a bit of
serves 8.
sponsorship there in Ballinrobe, so to give everyone a bit of a
Short
shout
ball.
out.
Second serve.
Loyal Mayo woman.
Oh, proud Mayo woman of that. Taking over. Oh, unlucky, Dave. An important
8
one
serves 13.
David was actually playing better whenever he was running Max around
there. Yeah,
and not going for his kills as much.
yeah,
Second serve.
But like a pass.
I agree. Oh, shot for Max.
Hold it.
Yeah.
See, the referee had that
Replay.
called before
David
serves
hit
13.
it.
Yeah.
I need to remember that now. Did you get called a few times on that? Were you being Mr. Controversial?
No, not really, but
Unlike ya.
Point.
less these digs now. No, it's just I've seen it
9
in other
serves
games.
13.
Yes, fair enough. The referees before any of our games said it like
Yeah,
if
said it to you.
you either take your shot or you take your
Yeah, or you,
replay.
yeah. I know what you mean.
look. It's
Either take
it's
the hit or
hard.
not.
It's a hard one for a referee to call
13
it
serves
It is,
9.
yeah. Definitely.
because you could call it and the man could go and flatten the ball out.
Yeah, exactly. Jeez, we're on possible game ball here now for Dave. He did very well to come back
14
because Max
serves
was up.
9.
It was 6.
It was 6-1 at the beginning, and then it was kind of 8 something or other, and then they were 8 together at 8. So, and that's game. That's
Match,
game for
guys.
Dave. Very well played by the pair of them.
Brilliant match to watch. I
Yeah,
have to
Dave
say.
finished off very strong. He finished very strong. His serves were just unbelievable. The kick off of them were class. So, yeah, we'll see Dave Walsh tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. on this court again, I think, against, who did I say? Louis Cordola?
Yes.
So, back again at 9 a.m. He'll have a good sleep tonight. And coming up next, we have Mark Doyle and Shane Dunne. So, definitely stick around for that because that will be an absolute cracker.
These boys will know each other inside out.
Inside out. So, it will be a great game to watch. So, stay tuned. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay. All right.
I'm here with Leo Canales. Leo, welcome to Ireland.
Thank you.
Obviously, you've been on the race for 8 the last couple of seasons. You've been doing really well over there. How does it feel to be in the National Handball Centre?
Amazing. This facility is very impressive. I had seen it on video, but nothing like seeing it in real life. It's very impressive.
You were in Portland a couple of weeks ago.
Correct.
Maybe it didn't go the way you wanted it to. You lost to Mark Doyle,
yeah.
I remember. So obviously you've got a lot of experience playing Irish players before. And how does it feel to be competing, on the world stage, in the World Championship, in the open division?
Yeah, I mean it's a great honor to be able to represent USA. This is going to be my first Open World Championship competition, so just excited to get out here and play. I know a lot of these guys, so it'll be fun to compete with them.
How's training been the last couple of weeks? Have you done anything different in preparation for the Worlds?
Just playing a lot. Usually I don't play as much. I'll play maybe like once or twice a week in practice, but right now I'm playing like three times, 4 times a week, just trying to get as much court time as possible.
Obviously, this is quite a unique venue as it's purpose-built only for handball. Do you think it would be something that you want to see replicated in America and have, maybe a national handball stadium there?
Yeah, I mean, if we could do something like this over there, that would be amazing. This is great, yeah. Yes, the venue is amazing.
I'm here with Ailish McCrory, Tyrone's finest. How are you doing, Ailish? How are you feeling ahead of the World Championships?
Yeah, I mean, I'm feeling excited for it to be here in Dublin, and I'm looking forward to getting playing. Probably a little bit underprepared, but we'll keep it casual and hopefully we can produce some good handball.
Very good. It's obviously a very exciting time for the sport on the back of Limerick, and that was really a full week of proper festival of handball stuff. This week again, the entries are off the scales. Almost 1,700 players entered, 1,900 matches over the course of a week. It's a really exciting time to be involved with the sport.
Okay, it is surely. I know the last time it was in Dublin there was high numbers and I was only a child back then, so to be representing now at the open stage and seeing so many under 11s today and yesterday and seeing the high numbers, it's class how far it's came in such a small time.
Yeah. Yourself and Fiona are playing doubles in the Open as well. Mm-hmm. Really strong doubles team, number 2 seats?
Number 2.
Yeah, so you must have designs on having a strong championship in the doubles as well as singles. Yeah,
well, it was a bit of a last minute decision between the pair of us. Obviously her doubles partner Katrina had that unfortunate injury in the one wall, so I knew Fiona was somewhat free, and I wasn't really planning on playing doubles either, so but we know each other inside and out, and I know Fiona's a great player and can produce some amazing handball. So together we're a decently matched pair, and I'm looking forward to playing with her.
Very good. On from this, having the Spórt of O'Neill's.com and TG4, there's documentaries coming out about handball left, right, and centre. Where do you think handball could go from here?
Well, I always thought handball was such a great sport, and I don't ever realise why it hadn't got as much publicity as it should. But with all the help that we're getting with the media and stuff, I can't see why it can't project itself further than what it has done and just keep getting bigger from here.
Excellent. Well, look, best of luck with the week. I'm sure we'll be talking to you plenty over the course of the next couple of days, and we'll chat to you there.
Thanks, Chris.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, joined now by Chris Gavigan from the GA Handball commentary team here at the O'Neill's.com World World Championships. Things are starting to crank up nicely here, Chris. In the afternoon we've got some big games in the Masters semi-finals.
Yeah, exciting stuff. Brendan Fleming and Joe McCann going to be on court 2 later on, and Dominic Lynch and Michael Gregan. It's really exciting for the sport. Obviously getting into the first semi-finals of the weekend here in the National Handball Centre, and at the same time the open matches are going to be starting on centre court as well. So we've got Niall O'Connor, League Slip's finest, is going to be kicking it off on the open grade. He's going to be playing the brother of the great David Chapman, John Chapman. So yeah, it's unbelievable. This is what handball's all about,
Tell us how the stream is going to work. So TG4 are going to be streaming from all 3 courts. So the show court set up, you're going to be commentating on the show court. We're also going to have HD coverage from courts 2 and 3 here at the National
Yeah,
Centre?
so all 3 courts are going to be covered simultaneously. So if there's, I suppose the best way to look up the schedule on knowthescore.ie. There's a full list of games and what games are going to be coming up on what court, and you can follow the action. It's so simple. Just go into TG4 Sport on YouTube and the links are going to be there. So yeah, it's great. It makes things so much easier. Obviously, there's a real buzz around the place. There's hundreds of kids floating around today, so there's a real air of anticipation around. It feels like it's really kicking off today.
And lastly, what game are you most looking forward to that's going to be on the live stream today?
Today, like, I love watching handball. I'd be watching handball anyway, so I'm really looking forward to seeing John Chapman, because I like seeing players that wouldn't have been displaying their skills here before. Seeing Noel come back is going to be great. Stephen Cooney, Balladrine man, often won All-Ireland titles for Mayo. He's going to be playing Seamus Keneally this afternoon, so it's going to be great seeing Stephen back playing in Ireland. Yeah, it's like there's so much going on, and you know, we're like some of the best handballers in the world are going to be really cracking off today. To those players are going to be going off, having a go at the better seeds tomorrow. The higher seeded players. So yeah, everyone wants that opportunity to take on a Martin Kearns or Paul Brady, Luis Cordova, whoever, and they have to prove it today to get into the mix tomorrow.
Okay, we're looking forward to it. We'll catch up with you on this live stream later.
Absolutely,
Chris.
mate.
All right.
living and breathing and ready for action here now. And I
All right,
am
this is
joined
Mark
with
Doyle
Ray.
serving to
So
Shane
exciting.
Dunne.
Excited for this match.
Game
Two
one.
of my collegiate teammates.
0, serve 0.
Currently and a couple of years ago. So.
Yeah, it's going to be an absolute singer. Mark Doyle from Wexford. I can never pronounce his club, Time On.
That's a point.
I can never pronounce it.
Appeal.
I think it's
Appeal,
Time On,
got-
but he probably was wrong.
Where did she go? Lisa.
Against Shane
Good.
Dunne
And
of Kilkenny.
where'd
So
Shorty go? You saw it short. Where's Shorty? Good. Disagreed. We're going to play it again.
first serve, and we already have a bit of controversy. I love it. I love it.
2 serves. 0, serve
A
0.
lot of intensity. Both of them play with a
Yeah.
lot of passion.
Yeah,
A
definitely. Definitely.
It's good. That's a point.
Wow. Good serve, yeah.
lot. Really?
1,
Must have
serve
been.
0.
Must have been.
Starting to question the ref's ISO. It's my dad, so I'm allowed to
You're
say
allowed
that.
to say that, yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh.
Play it over.
And so you were saying to me before the game started, you've played both of them a lot in different competitions. What would you say? Do you think there's a big difference with their
replay,
style
1,
of play,
serve 0.
or
Mark's really good with the paddle kills, so
Yeah.
you got to keep him out of the front as much as possible.
Yeah.
Very, very similar with their intensity and whatnot.
there we go,
Yep.
paddle shot. There we
point.
go. Paddle kill.
I just think Shane might be a little more in shape, just a smidge.
Yeah.
2, serve 0.
Yeah, because Shane is a personal trainer after all. So
Yeah,
and I think he done a marathon there not that long ago.
sounds right.
Yeah,
Side
I
out.
think he did. I could be wrong. I think it was a full-on marathon, so fair play to him for that.
0, serving 2.
Yeah, definitely. When I seen the list of games coming up, this was definitely one that I was like, oh,
Point.
I can't wait for this. Could be a cracker.
Shane has
1,
a lot of,
serving 2.
He just has different form. He loves big alley.
Yeah, and he only is after winning the hardball there, the
Yep.
senior title. So he's had a good enough year of it. Not too bad at all.
Nope. Skip.
Yeah, himself and
Ding.
Mark
Hang
will
on,
know
guys.
each other inside out. Like,
Give me 1
they
second
played
here.
each other in the one-wall plate, men's open plate, back there
1
in
second.
August.
The thing
And they played
went away.
in doubles together at the one wall. So to say that they know each other very well is probably an understatement.
They've played doubles together a few tournaments. Collegiates the past 2 years they've won over in the States.
All right. 1 sec.
They
Mark.
played a U.S.
What's our
Nationals as
score?
well
1-2?
together and did quite well. I think
2
they
serving 1. Thank you.
I think they lost 21-20 or something to Killian and Martin in a
Oh,
game
wow,
at one point.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that close to a
All right.
tiebreaker.
2 serving
Especially
1.
with Killian and Martin, two top quality players. Like, yeah, they really are
Short.
experienced handballers for such young lads.
Second serve.
Yeah.
This
Side
ball
out.
cannot- if it clips the side wall, it just dies off, and the fat is set up with the 21 ball that Mark's really used to.
Yeah.
1
That would have at
serving
least
2.
pushed back a little bit more, and it would have been
That's
probably
short.
all right.
I actually was having this conversation with one of the boys before.
Second serve.
And we were saying, do you find the Irish ball different, much different to the 21?
Well, the one I've been practicing with was way slower, and then today I hopped on the court, and the thing was zipping around. It was a completely different ball suddenly.
Yeah.
But there's definitely some changes. This grips the wall a little bit more than the 21 and is a little bit slower.
Yeah.
But you get used to it the more you play with it.
Exactly, yeah. Exactly.
2 serving 2.
It's all about getting used to these things.
Short.
Short ball.
Second serve.
Neck on neck together too. I feel like this is what the game is going to be like for the 2 and maybe even a tiebreaker.
Point.
It'll be just neck on neck the whole way up.
Yep. They've played, from what I can think of,
3 serving
3
2.
times before. Mark won the first 2 times, but then Shane beat him in Salt Lake City last year at the Players' Championship for the WTH. So, as you were saying, it could go either way.
Yeah, definitely. They have a track record and they definitely keep tabs on each other from what I can tell. So
That's
both
a
of
point.
them will want to be adding another mark or another dash to their winning board. And you had a good win today against Kevin Diggins of Leak Slip.
Yeah, started off
4
a little
serving
slow.
2.
I've been doing that a little bit lately at tournaments around. But
Just shaking off the cobwebs a bit. They're
Yeah.
shaking off a...
Point.
getting used to the court, the ball,
Yeah.
just the tournament atmosphere again.
Exactly, yeah.
5,
Yeah.
serving 2.
Just staying calm.
And
Just-
is it your first time playing in Ireland?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's
First
so
match,
exciting. So exciting. That's so cool.
Nope, skipped in. Point. Oh, yeah, 2
That's all right.
timeouts per game. Sorry about that.
timer.
Meant to tell you.
Yeah, Shane is taking a bit of a lead here at 6-2. It's crazy
6,
how quick it
serving
can
2.
happen. It's mental how quick
That's short.
they can get a lead on you. Especially games to 15.
Second serve.
You might find it when I play Mark in practice. One game, one person may win like, with ease, and then the
Yeah.
next game will be the complete opposite.
Okay, yeah.
It's just if he starts finding those paddle kills, the back walls. Honestly, if he just drops down with the ball,
Point.
hits it low rather than staying up, that's the biggest difference for Mark, in my opinion.
Oh,
Okay.
timeout.
So he's
Timeout,
a bit of a
Mark.
slow burner
His
as well.
first.
It can be at times.
Yeah.
Score is 7-2.
I think it happened a few weeks ago in Portland. He was facing Leo Canales. First game, he wasn't playing too great, and then next thing you know, it's second game and tiebreaker, he just took over.
Took
and,
off.
yeah, won the game, moved to his first semifinal in his career.
That was amazing. It really was amazing to watch. I was so delighted for him. Yeah, there was a great upset, and you got to the final, didn't you?
Yeah.
Against
and
Martin.
I had to face Sam Esser in a tiebreaker in the round of 16, and then I faced the 2 Cordova brothers the next 2 matches, going in a tiebreaker and then a big comeback against Lucho the first game.
I was actually watching all them games. It was great handball. Great handball to watch. Just such exciting games when you're on the edge of your seat, like.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine what it's like in there. I've been there a few times. It's not nice. It is definitely not nice. Adrenaline takes over, though. That's the best.
I'm looking forward to all the crowds here. Just
Yes, yeah.
It
the
brings
end
the
of the week.
intensity out of everyone.
Good shot, Mark. Yeah, definitely. The end of the week now, as the week goes on, there'll be more and more people coming down to see the games, and the games will be getting tighter and tighter as the week goes on as well. So
Yeah.
definitely the atmosphere is going to be building, and finals weekend is just going to be phenomenal. It'll be great. A lot ahead, anyways. Good wrap around by Mark.
The winner of this one gets Robbie. Robbie
Oh,
McCarthy.
that'll be fun, won't it?
That
Wow. Who are you leading into?
I'm going to face Dearman Nash
Wow.
tomorrow. Originally it was supposed to be 9 a.m., but it's looking like a 12:30 start time now,
Okay.
which I'm happy about.
Happy about. You can have a bit of a lie-in, yeah, definitely. 9 a.m.s are a killer.
Whoever wins this one's just going to be, I don't know, I think excited and bring the intensity again tomorrow. Wanting to
100%.
pull off the upset.
Yeah. Oh, well done, Mark. Who's going to finish it off? Those big rally to win. Now a chance for Mark to flatten this. Go on. Oh, got away with it. Shane got his hand raised, just couldn't get a wrap around.
See if Mark can put together a streak of points here.
Yeah. 7-3 down, so he wants to get a few aces on the board if he can.
3, serving 7. Point.
Good shot from here. I think it kind of caught Shane off guard a bit.
Yeah.
Got his hand to it again, but just couldn't get proper contact with it.
4, serving 7.
Oh, great shot.
Point.
I was just before this about to
Great
say that I
shot.
think Mark should start switching up the
Yeah.
left and right just to keep him
On his toes.
honest.
5, serving 7.
Yeah, that was a great shot because it looked like he was going left with his left hand, but he just wrapped it around and put it straight down the right. Now a chance for Shane. Puts it to the roof again. They're both kind of waiting. Oh!
Well, if you're
Good
Shane,
shot.
if
Good
you're
shot.
Shane here, you don't want to You're only going to take the shots that you
Yeah.
know you can put away. Because if you
Definitely.
leave it up
6,
a few
serving
inches,
7.
Mark's going to just paddle it away and win the rally.
Yeah. As you said before, anything up front, Mark will just put it away. Yeah, he's calling cover ball. Oh. Worked out.
Side
anyways.
out.
Worked out in his
Timeout,
favour.
Shane. You're first.
Yeah, we
It's
came,
7-6.
we're here now 7-6. Shane's still leading, but only by a point.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, Mark's going to take a chance to appeal that now.
I didn't know. I didn't see anything that we were looking for. Were you guys making contact?
It worked out in Shane's favour, so he won't be saying anything anyways. He'll be happy out with that. Yeah, so Shane was in Minnesota with you as well. He done a year of Masters.
Yep.
So Mark is also in Minnesota. That's correct, isn't it?
Yeah,
Macchiato?
yeah. Mark is in his 3rd year at Minnesota
Yeah,
State.
he's currently
Mankato.
still there. So
Got to practice it with him for coming on 3 years now. Shane I got 1 year with, and then last year he was able to compete collegiates with us.
yeah, that was brilliant. The grace year of that. Yeah, so Mike Wells and I'm sure a good few others probably help out with coaching and everything and keep everyone on track.
Mark gets the coaching here because Shane graduated already.
Yes, of course. Yeah, of course.
Might give him a little bit of an edge. Depends on if he's giving him any useful.
Yeah,
tips.
any words of wisdom or not. Yeah, exactly.
I always like to
Yeah,
throw a little bit at Mike.
always. No
Expect it right
harm.
back,
No
though.
harm. No harm. Now a lot of roof shots here by the lads. They're playing very defensive until they get a chance. Oh, well done, Mark. Oh, it was the right idea. Right idea. You just couldn't get proper swing on it. Your jersey was lovely also. What jersey was that?
That was Digiflex. It's a glove brand out of California, actually.
Yeah.
Marcos Chavez is in charge of it.
Wow.
He just started making those gloves, distributing,
I
selling
think I
them.
actually have
within
heard,
the
yeah.
last bit, so
Yeah.
I've been using those exclusively now. And,
Very nice.
The jerseys for a few of us on the WPH tour.
Yeah, I must say they're very nice. Everyone was commenting on it.
There's me, Ivan, Leo, Sean Lenning, and then John Bike Jr. That
All are getting the
that are getting
Bit of help.
the jerseys and whatnot
you need
to represent
Very good.
gloves. So.
Need to get that publicity stunt in there now. Now that's your job done. Yeah, Shane is trying to keep Mark back. They're so used to each other. They know inside out what they're getting at. 9-6.
You talk to both of them, and I mean they're excited for the match, but they're also not excited to be playing each other because they both know how good they are.
Exactly, yeah. They both know it'll be a tough win. Shane's still in lead with 9-6, but Mark's here and
6,
serves.
serving
We're going to
9.
get a few more on the scoreboard. Go for it.
Not moving his feet well enough right now. You can see
Yeah.
the frustration as well.
Side
Yeah,
out.
and he knows it himself as well. He knows it himself.
9, serving 6.
Yeah, that's probably 2 shots to the he usually will be putting bottom there. But, oh wow.
Point.
Good shot.
Ten, serving 6.
Shane is playing very well.
Point.
He loves the left corner.
He does, yeah.
You'll see a lot of, especially when he's in the front court, going left wall, front wall with his right
Timeout.
Yeah.
Sorry, didn't catch that.
Ball
Timeout,
just
Mark.
dies.
Your second.
Puts it down so low that it doesn't matter.
It's 11-6.
They're great shots in the big alley as well, so I wonder is that
That's got to be it.
Yeah.
I haven't seen enough Big Alley.
Oh, I've been harping on to Ollie. You need to get into the Big Alley.
I
I'm a Big Alley lover.
I hit the ball around for the first time on Monday, or like 8 days ago.
Yeah.
I felt like I was trying to catch a ball for the first time again. It was
I know a lot of people say that to me. Yeah.
Love to play it and actually learn the game.
It's a great game when it's played properly. Yeah. But the ball it can go ski ways. It's really difficult to judge sometimes.
The ball's coming straight off the front wall, hits the sidewall, and it shoots perfectly perpendicular.
Yeah.
I'm like, that's not
How
what
does
it's
this
supposed to do.
work? Yeah. How does this work? Yeah. No, definitely. It's a unique game.
I'm curious what the hardball is like.
Hardball is
that's what Shane
ridiculous.
loves.
Yeah, Shane loves that game. Hardball is ridiculous.
All right. Mark, you're out of timeouts. Shane, you have one.
Do you want Slitters? No.
Scored 11, serving
Based on your
6.
facial expressions there. So hurling would be another GA sport, and Slitter is basically like a leather ball. Basically a smaller version of that is what they play for hardball.
Ooh, nice get by Mark.
Oh, that's a great shot by Shane.
I'll play it again. We're going to play that over because
it was skip, was it?
He was right there. He was right there, and he couldn't see it.
I agree with that call because Mark couldn't move sideways.
Can't appeal that.
On that like he wanted.
He was
to.
right behind you, and he couldn't see it.
No, Shane's
he
not
was right.
Like that. I wouldn't like it either.
He was right. You can't appeal that.
No, but
it's not appealable.
He had no opportunity to.
He was right behind you.
Move sideways.
He was a step away. He couldn't see it. I saw it from the get-go.
He wanted to move a little up and left immediately, but he couldn't because Shane was there.
Yeah.
So he was forced to go back.
No, Shane isn't happy.
Replaying. 11, serving 6.
Great shot, but
yeah, it would be frustrating now, but I think it is right. I think it is the right call. It can be hard sometimes. Oh,
it's a point.
He knew where it was going as well. He knew it was going left front. Just unlucky. He got his hand to it again. (12-6) now.
12, serving 6.
Go for it.
Point.
I'd like to see Mark take a little more risk with some shots.
He's
kind of playing it safe.
Yeah, he left that one a bit too far up for Shane, and he just was able to.
13,
right
serving 6.
You can see the frustration in Mark's face though, and his body language. He knows that he could be doing a lot better than what he is. It's just the weather, the storm.
Side out.
Now he might be able to get back a bit. 13-6 to Shane. It'd be a tough one now for Mark to get a grasp on, but
6 serves 13.
He's well able.
Side out.
What he was going for there.
No, I think he changed his mind halfway through.
13, serving 6.
Gonna go kill, and then he said he'd wrap around and.
Wow.
Yeah.
Point.
Shane is just everywhere. Everywhere.
It's going to take a lot for Mark to come back in this one, but
Yeah, we're match point here now. Possible game ball.
Game point 14, serving 6. Play it over.
Shane has kind of been controlling, but I think Mark has just been making his own mistakes. I think he might be trying to force it or something too much in this game. I think he's overthinking it a small bit.
second game.
14, serving
Shane
6.
wins this one.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect the same Mark to come out.
No.
Expect
No,
something
me
new.
neither.
some
And
change.
there we
Point.
have
Game
first
1.
game, guys, to Shane Dunne. As we were saying, right, yeah, second game, definitely think another Mark is going to come out.
Officially,
So
you have like 2 minutes.
stay tuned for game 2. We're going to take a small break now until then. Hey guys, here
Zero
we are,
serve
Court
zero.
3, game number 2 with Mark Doyle and Shane Dunne. We had an interesting first game. Mark didn't really show too much in the first game,
Point.
unfortunately. Shane was just kind of all over the place, but yeah, we're expecting this game now for Mark
1,
to
serve 0.
start the engine and hopefully get into second gear now. Because he knows he can do it, you know. It's just he's getting a bit frustrated with it all. It is very annoying when you're in the court and you know you can play and you're not playing.
Point.
Yep.
Do you know?
Biggest thing is staying calm under that.
Yes.
And that's a hard thing to do
Yeah.
for many.
2, serving 0.
2-0 lead now for Shane.
Like Mark to try to change up his return of serve just because he's been doing the same
Great
thing.
shot.
Side out.
Maybe I shouldn't be saying that after that.
Yeah.
But
Don't jinx him yet.
he's been doing the same return of serve, and Shane was scoring a bunch of points. But
Yeah,
I mean, he hasn't
0,
backed down.
serving 2.
worked from then. Great shot.
Point.
That's a bit more now, like how Mark played.
1, serving 2.
Try to slow down the game a little bit.
Yeah.
Right along the wall.
Side out. 2, serving 1. Football.
Wow.
Way over
Heard
on
too
the
many
left
of
foot.
those in the
No,
tournament.
me and Connor Ruxton, he was commentating earlier, we were saying that
Second
you kind
serve.
of forget about footfalls, but then I've heard a few American refs especially calling them,
Right.
and I do forget, like, us Irish can be so like laxy-daisy
What do you want?
with footfalls, do you know?
Oh, yeah. They need to be called, though.
Yes, I agree.
Don't get
It
me
hit the
wrong, I
light,
hate
but
when
did it?
happens,
Was it a
but
bet? You want
Yeah.
to take a
you
court
can't make the
hinder?
adjustment that's also on you.
It's fine.
Yes,
Play it
I
again.
agree.
That's my philosophy.
I think it.
Replaying.
No,
Two
yeah,
serving
I do
one.
agree. I think it is right that you are so, you know, precise about it, because some people can be halfway over the line and getting no calls for it. Good shot. Ooh.
One of the big things I'm
Side
curious
out.
about throughout this tournament is the avoidable calls.
Yes, I agree.
They're called back in America
are
all
you
the
getting?
time.
Mop?
I shouldn't say
Yeah.
all the time, but like
Yeah.
way more here. And then
Yeah.
there's been some matches where I'm like, this person just jumped perfectly in front of the person's shot, and they just replayed it. I'm like,
Yeah.
you can't do that.
Yeah.
But
No, that was one thing, especially in the One Mile Worlds, they were calling avoidables. And yeah, that's just. Actually, the first time I seen avoidables was over in Arizona in Tucson with the collegiates
Yep.
2 years ago. And I was like, oh my God, what is this? Because, yeah, I don't know, we're so laxy-daisy over here with rules, I think. And then you're just, when you go over to America playing, they really whip you into shape, like.
yeah.
Which is so fair, because sometimes it is scandalous what people
All
try
right.
to do. But
Excuse me.
No, I
1 serving
just-
2.
Yeah. There can be some bickering with the ref if they
yeah,
don't do exactly.
I think it's, as we were saying earlier in commentary, it's consistency.
Yep.
Just be consistent with your calls.
Side out. 2 serving 1.
Took his eyes off the ball.
Point.
Yeah, you can tell Mark is getting a bit annoyed with himself here now.
3 serving 1. Nope. Side out. 1 serving 3.
Oh, wow, what a return.
I thought he had Shane
Side
pinched
out.
him.
Same, what a return. Oh my God.
3 serving
His
1.
left hand. Yeah.
Screen serve, that's fine. One screen.
Oh.
Point.
Never misses that shot.
Yeah, I think
Something's just off.
Yeah, something isn't going right.
4, serving 1.
For Mark, unfortunately. I wonder, did the game get in his head a bit?
Yeah.
Think he might be a bit nervous coming in here. Wow, that's more like it, yeah.
Side out.
Mark looking for a glove change.
What do you got? All right, glove change. Everybody change. 2
Everybody
minutes.
change, yeah, I think so.
Changing gloves.
Yeah, their gloves are soaking there.
We're at 1-4.
Curious. Mike's going into Coach Mark a little bit.
Yeah.
See what he's going to say.
You couldn't miss him anyways with that tap at him. It's like a traffic cone.
You'll never see him walking around here without any purple or
Yeah,
gold on in
he's
some way,
proud
shape,
of
or
the
form.
proud of the colours, as he should be. As he should be.
Sometimes he gets into it with me about me not wearing it
Oh,
enough.
really?
Like, it's not really a big deal. It's more so just to
Yeah, represent. You have to represent.
just talk to
Come on,
talk.
Ray.
Not really as much of a matter as
Yes,
it is, but
yeah, no, that is fair.
it's good just to get the college out there.
Oh,
make people know
100%.
about
Yeah,
it,
100%.
The opportunities that, I mean, we have. I want to say Sienna was the first Irish player.
She
that
was
came
definitely
over,
the first. It was a big breakthrough,
Minnesota
anyways.
State.
Yeah.
So it was Sienna, then Shane, Mark, and Clodagh all came over at the same time. Shane's only been there; it was only there for a year, and now Mark and Clodagh should be there this year, next year, and then graduate. And then we just got Hannah Grace this year.
Yeah,
over there.
I seen that. That's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the amount of players that are coming over, it's brilliant. Like.
Lake Forest has two women's players. They have Emma Kinane
and Jody
Keeling.
yeah. No, definitely. There's so much opportunities in GA handball. Like, it's great that there is them scholarships and opportunities available there for young people to go traveling like that and to be able to play their sport alongside it. Like, it's great. It is great. Yeah, there's so much support over there as well with the handball.
Well, the ref's deciding to whistle instead of just saying that time's up for some reason. That or he's trying to get my attention. I don't know. But all right. 1 serving 4.
All right, everybody's got dry gloves now.
Yeah, I feel like this game, the
Dry
second game has
shirts,
been going on a long time, but it's only
all right,
low scores. It's
starting
minutes.
back here, it's 1 serving 4.
Shane leading again, but I feel like Mark isn't. He's not out of it either. He's not out of the game either. That was a smart call, the glove change and the jersey. You always feel better after the change. Good
Nice
shot. Oh my God.
Oh,
if he got that.
That's a point.
That was unlucky.
that's what you'll get out of Shane more than honestly anyone.
2 serving 4.
Could never give up on a ball.
Yeah.
You'll think you have the best shot possible. Next thing you know, ball comes blasting off the back wall, and he returned it.
Side
yeah,
out.
agreed. He goes for every single ball. Yeah, no ball is dead.
4 serving 2.
I think Mark's just slightly misjudging some of these
point.
back balls.
Yeah.
He has the setup, and then his
Yeah.
footwork's slightly off.
He kind of just left that up for Shane.
5 serving 2.
Well done.
Mark's missing
Point.
the pass. I think that's what he's going for at least.
Yeah.
He's clipping the sidewall, coming straight back to the middle for setup.
6 serving 2.
Well done. Now we should set up.
Way to
I think
You
we are
okay with
getting
it, Mark?
over, yeah. Just a bit too close for comfort.
Point.
Oh.
Oh, good point.
7,
Shane was
serving
giving it
2.
to him,
Yeah, I
but-
thought he was as well. Never mind.
Oh, nice reverse.
Side
Bit
out.
of justice, yeah.
Kept it down.
2, serving 7.
Let's keep that off the back line.
Oh.
It's a point.
3-7.
3-7. We were here in the first game as well.
3, serving 7. Short.
Try to switch it up.
Nearly.
Second serve.
Set up there. Wow. Yeah.
Side out.
Shane is just taking every chance he gets, isn't he?
He hasn't been missing either.
No.
I don't think he's missed a single
No.
shot, just skipping it or anything.
7, serving 3.
Now go for it.
I think Mark might
good
be the
shot.
youngest person in
Side
the
out.
open draw, in the open singles.
Is he younger
He's
than you?
Yeah, he's 21. I'm 22.
Oh, someone told me you were 20.
No.
Oh, right.
But,
yeah, he
uh,
probably
Three serving
is.
7.
So Mark's 21. I'm 22. I know. I think Ivan's 23. There's a few young people, and
It is a great.
Side out.
It is a great statement to be there that young, like, you know.
7, serving 3.
it's good to see you have the support from the other younger players.
Exactly. Yeah.
No. Skipped in. That's a point.
Yeah.
I think in the open doubles, Kyle
8,
Jordan is
serving
the
3.
youngest. He's only 19.
Yeah.
So. Actually, Kyle Jordan had a really good match against Shane at the collegiates this past year. He went
Side
tiebreaker
out.
against Shane in a quarterfinal. Actually,
Wow, they went in quarterfinal, didn't they?
3, serving 8.
Geez, that was a tough quarterfinal draw.
the collegiates had Mark won it, Ivan lost in the final, and there was me and Shane in the semis.
Side
with
out.
Rory Grace, Owen McGinty,
8, serving 3.
Kyle Jordan, and I forget who the. Try to think of who the last person was. Oh, John Bike Jr. So that was
Oh
for the
my God! Yeah.
top 8 players. It was very deep draw.
Oh.
I think
That's
the
a
only
point.
player you lost from last year
Timeout,
too is
Mark.
Shane. So
You're first.
Wow, yeah.
It's 9-3.
Amazing, really. They always have great battles, don't they? Always have good battles. Yeah, Kyle is another up and coming. He won the under-19 World Wall Ball Championships there in August, and he'll be playing after these boys. Actually, he's playing with Owen McGinty against Keelan Daly and his brother Dara Daly.
okay.
So that'll be another good game. Be a good game for doubles. First doubles game of the evening in this course. Yeah, Mark will want to switch things up a bit now. Shane has 9-3 up on him.
All right, Mark, you have 1 timeout remaining. Shane, you have 2. Score 9, serving 3.
Oh, well done. That's a good shot. Shane is just everywhere, isn't he?
Yeah. Well, it's not helping Mark that he knows every single trick that he has.
Exactly, yeah. In the back of his hand.
Nice shot.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Did he belt his head?
You okay?
Oh. That's not what you want
That
to
was
see.
a point.
Oh.
Oh, is it his head, his knee? Oh.
I don't know.
That's
I
not
think
a good
there's a few
sight.
things.
Hope everything's okay there.
Take your time.
It's especially not what you want to see in a match like this.
Oh dear, no, not at all.
Oh, man.
Oh no. Oh, it's his knee.
Shoot.
We did say he goes for every single ball.
Oh, man. Hopefully it's just a walk it off. Take some injury time right here. And then
Oh, it's already bruising, I think.
you just got to hope that it's just like a bruise that happened right there, not a any interior damage. I didn't see what happened at all. Don't know that I want to see the replay either, though.
God, no. I think his head is like his last worry now. It's his knee.
Especially how Shane's looking right now. I mean,
Oh my God, it'd be...
nobody would want to face him.
I think he says he's going to be okay, so...
It's good. Sometimes the first initial impact
Yeah,
like,
it's kind of just the shock of it first, isn't it?
hits a nerve or something, kind of locks up the leg, or
Yeah.
is opposite. He seems to be walking normal to an extent. A lot better than when he was coming off the
Yeah,
court.
when
So
he...
now you're marking the situation.
Yeah.
If Shane's able to get back in the court, you got to put it out behind you and just focus, which, I mean, he's staying in the court trying to do that.
Yeah, that's the best thing to do. Stay in the court and just keep hitting the ball around and just try and stay focused.
Sometimes when someone comes back from an injury timeout, for example, if it's like 10, 15 minutes or something like that, you kind of have in your head, oh, they're injured, and you start playing a little lazy, and it's the worst thing you can do.
Yeah.
As much as you feel bad for them, you just have to play your own game.
Yeah, the best thing to do is just try and keep focused in the court. Easier said than done. Hopefully he's okay. He looked fine walking off there, so maybe just... So you went to Galway and you didn't go to Mayo.
Yeah.
This is what I've been hearing.
Went
That's
to
ridiculous
Galway.
in my opinion.
Was there for the day. And
Where
then
did you go in Galway?
I was first just I played a little bit of handball down there. 1 second, sorry. Played a little bit of handball. Then walked around Galway City.
Yeah.
Got a cough again.
We don't
All
have
right,
the buttons.
we're good.
We don't have the buttons in Cúirt 3 to knock off our sound when we cough. So we just give us a bit of a moment. Just excuse us if we have to. So you went down Shop Street, I'm guessing.
Yep. Went over there. Then after that, went back and played some more handball that night.
In Moycullen, was it? Or
Yep. In
oh yeah, very
Moycullen.
good.
Had some good pickup matches over there. Then after that, spent the night and then went to the Cliffs of Moher.
Oh, lovely!
That was
wow.
beautiful. That was
wow.
a lot of fun, and went with my mom and dad over there. Then we drove back that day, more or less straight to these handball courts here,
God, you're crazy.
and played some more. I played too much handball the first 4 days. I played 5 times in the first 4 days I was here.
It sounds like it. All right, it does sound like it.
Very beneficial. Learned a lot. Got some good
Well,
work
that's it.
in.
At least you learned a lot.
Yeah. I mean,
That's the main thing.
came straight off the plane and.
Did you land into Shannon? So
No.
you went into Dublin, and then you
so
went down to Galway.
landed on Saturday, spent the day here, but we kind of checked into our apartment immediately.
Yeah.
So since we had nothing to do, I wanted to play some handball that day because I had it in a few days.
Yeah.
So we came straight here. I played a little bit of handball. Saturday, did my run because after this tournament, I'm gonna have to go back home and compete at my regional cross country meet for my college.
God.
which is a 10K, and it's the
Oh
first
my
race of the
God.
season for me. So I have to stay a little bit in shape there. I'm taking off during the tournament, but I was running last week, so I ran 12 miles, and then went and practiced handball right after that. Woke up in the
No
morning.
wonder you're as fit as a fiddle. Crikey.
Woke up in the morning. Went to Moycolin to play. Played later that night, and then Cliffs of Moher, came back here and played. Then I took some time off because
Oh
my body
God.
was tired by the end of that.
Well, there's no wonder. Oh my God.
It's good tournament prep though.
You're crazy.
Like, I mean, putting the stress under the body right before the tournament sucked then,
We love
but
it. We
after a
love
few
it.
days off, you feel good. You feel prepped for this. Where when you're finally back into playing all the
Yes.
time, it
Yeah.
doesn't take as much of a toll on the body.
Yeah. You have it right. You have it down pat, so you do.
So
Oh,
so
so
far,
you do cross country as well. That's mad.
yep, cross
So
country
just
and track.
Cross country, track, and handball.
Yep. So for cross country, you're just a distance runner during track,
Oh,
so it's
okay.
pretty similar training.
Okay.
So I'll do cross country in the fall, but this year I'm not because I was focusing on handball,
Yeah.
missing a bunch of meets. But I'll go back and just race the regional meet. It'll be my only race for the year in cross country.
Wow.
All right.
God, kids, listen
Then-
up.
So you
This
still
is
have
how
9.5
yeah,
minutes
wow.
left on the injury
I don't
thing,
recommend
so
it
that's
to
good.
to most
Score
people.
here, going
Definitely
back
not right off
timeouts.
the
Mark,
bat.
you
It
have
takes
1.
quite a
Shane, you
bit
have
of,
2.
slowly
Score
implementing it.
does,
But,
10, serving
That
3.
is mad. Okay, guys, we're back here, and Shane looks okay again. I don't know if it's going to kind of throw him a bit, but he looks okay. The knee looks in place, anyways. That's the main thing. So Mark still has a bit of a way to go. He's 10-3 down, but the break might have done him some bit of good.
Oh, that
was
is a
hard
point.
shot to go for at this point.
Shane did very well. That's the first rally back now from hitting the floor, and he took it very
11,
well. It's a
serving
long one.
3.
It's gonna be a setup for Shane.
Oh, well
Wow.
done. Okay.
Mark might have lucked out there because I don't think he got a hold of the ball
We'll
fully.
replay it. 11,
It's hard to
serving
tell
3.
when it's just boom boom. But
Yeah, I'm not too sure. I think it probably was a replay. Oh,
Wow.
wow. Good shot.
Side out.
Yeah, they're his signature shots, aren't they? Little paddles.
we'll have times where he's putting every single ball down like that.
Yeah.
Then there's times where he'll leave them up a little bit.
Yeah.
So
3, serving 11.
I think the
Good
thing
serve.
Shane's done great at during this match is wow.
Wow, what a
Point.
finish.
I think Shane's done great is when Mark has him on the move, Shane's put a perfect defensive
4,
shot back to
serving
get right
11.
back in the
Yes,
rally and
yeah.
just adjust.
Yeah. He hits it to the back wall.
It's a point.
Mark's putting a little bit of pressure on.
Yep. 1 second, guys.
Oh. Oh,
Bad
jeez.
timing by the ref.
The ref is falling apart.
Yep.
Up there.
Sorry, guys.
There's so much wires as well, so it's hard to keep it all intact.
It's used to just a clipboard and piece of paper
Yeah,
and a
I
pencil.
know.
So
I know.
there's all this extra equipment. Doesn't help.
It does it. It makes things a lot more awkward, but sure. New age, new
right.
generation.
It's also really bad because that kind of gave Shane a timeout.
Yeah,
Right as
I
Mark was
know.
getting some momentum.
4, serving 11.
Hopefully it doesn't throw him too much.
Oh, that,
Oh,
5,
Hot
serving
by
11.
gosh.
got the commotion here today, guys.
See if Mark
5
can
serves
keep it.
11.
That was, oh. Well done. Oh,
Play it over, play it
I
over.
was about to say you
yeah.
didn't swing.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll get refs who say, "Oh, I gave you the shots," and
Yeah.
it's like you clearly can tell that
Yeah.
he wasn't ready
No.
for the
5,
shot or
serving
anything.
11.
Yeah, some refs can be harsh in them situations.
Play again, play again. You got hooked up there. No. He was. He got stuck on you
see
to
the
start.
replay.
We're
Yeah,
gonna
I
play it
didn't see that
again.
properly now.
I only saw the tail end, which
You got tangled.
that part I'd see.
He
with Shane,
he
but
couldn't get
Mark
away
did
from
also
the first step.
immediately, I think, kind of say something where
I think, did they get caught up in each other or something?
it seems like right after the shot, Mark might have
Replaying.
had to, like, kinda
5
jump
serves
around
11.
Shane. Part that most people weren't looking at because they were looking at the ball.
Yeah, the ball was gone, I think, when this happened. Oh, yeah. I was surprised
Side
he
out.
left it.
Yeah.
I
Well-
was going to take it, but I suppose it was dropped at an awkward angle.
11,
so-
serving
It's
5.
probably one of the things where Shane's been playing with this ball. Mark's coming over. He's used
Yeah.
to the American 21
yeah,
ball.
It's true.
Point.
Yeah, it's true.
And so over there, that would be a wraparound for a perfect setup, whereas here it kind of just dies off.
Yeah. It's just the difference of the bounce.
12, serving 5.
Ooh.
Oh, well done. Well done.
I think that's been the difference is
Shane just goes for it.
Shane's putting away the setups while
Side out.
Mark's kind of leaving them up.
Mop. Yeah, clean up. That's fine.
Yeah, Shane is going for every shot, isn't he?
It's unreal.
He's just taking every chance he gets to put it away.
But that either saves him or gets him like 5 or more points a match just by him hustling around and just, yeah.
Absolutely working it out, yeah.
There's not many people. There's only a few players that I can think of. Killian's one of them as well. You think the ball's down, and next thing you know it, Killian dives halfway across the court
Yeah.
and just keeps going, gets right back up, dives another way,
Goes the other
and
way.
keeps going. I'm like, holy moly.
Yeah.
I don't know. Those
Yeah,
are the
he's
two people.
unbelievable.
Those are the two players that I can think of off the top of my head who go and get a
Go
lot
out
more
for it
than
all.
Ivan Burgos is quick.
All right.
Slightly different.
5, serving
type
11.
of, like getting to
Side or
everything.
that, yeah.
But
No, I agree. Myself and Killian Carnell, yeah. They're well met.
curious if they're going to ask about the serve.
Side out.
Yeah, I thought he was going to, but
Sorry, I said the score wrong last time. It's 12. 12, serving 5.
Ooh, got a bit of luck.
oh, what a shot.
It's a
Wow.
point.
What a shot, the underarm. Oh, that was class, yeah. What a shot.
13, serving 5. Foot fault. Half your foot.
There we go, another football.
Yeah, at least it's happened multiple times.
Yeah.
Second
Sometimes it
serve.
doesn't happen till late in a match, and that's what I've heard takes some people off.
It's not called all the time. Just the stages.
Nope, skipped in. Side out.
Shane has the same expression as
Yeah,
everybody in the
yeah.
crowd.
5, serves 13.
Wow.
Oh. No.
Almost made it too.
Side out.
Just clipped it wrong.
13, serving 5. Nope. Point.
Not a shot you can go for at 13-5,
No.
and now Mark has to play
Match
perfect
point
the rest of the way out.
14, serving 5.
Last point for second game to Shane. Yeah, I think Mark just didn't. I don't know. Mark just didn't happen today.
Mark wasn't executing on the shots, on the
Wow.
setups, and that was the difference. Shane executed on every setup. And
Good job, guys.
That did just make the difference in the game.
Good job, Shane.
I'd say Mark will be frustrated now after that. I think he feels he could have probably played better, but Shane was just on fire today.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
he didn't miss any ball nearly. I'd say one body put to the floor, but yeah. So Shane is true. He'll be playing. Oh, I can't remember. Oh,
He gets to play Robbie McCarthy.
He gets the chance to play Robbie McCarthy now. So
And he'll go in at
with 100%.
yeah,
with
100% effort,
100%.
110 for that matter.
Exactly.
I mean, I'm
He'll
excited
go
to
in like
watch
any
that
other
one
day.
tomorrow.
100%, yeah. So, guys, we're going to take a quick break here now, and we'll be back for the last game, I think, of the day. of doubles, and it's Keelan Daly and Dara Daly versus Kyle Jordan and Owen McGinty. But we'll have a break here for a small while.
All right. Zero, zero.
Play it again. Play it again. Zero, zero. One, zero. Sharp out. Second. Two, zero. Second serve. Seinnteoir. Zero, serving the two. One, serving the two. Point. Two, serving the two. Point. 3-2. Point. 4-2. One hand off. 4-2. Thanks. Point. 5-2. Sharper. Second serve. Took a shot, but score is 2-5. Play it again. Contact, play it again. Two 5. One hand off. 2-5. Sharp up. Second serve. Five 2. Point. 6-2. Seven 2. One hand off. 7-2. Eight serve to 2. Timeout. Owen. Harry Carrickmore to serve. One time out for Kenny Monaghan, 9-2. Sharp up. Second serve. Side away. 2-9. Play it again. Two 9.
late to the game here. I got caught up talking to everyone down in the food arena, so I'm a bit late to the game. I get easily sidetracked. But no, we're here for the doubles, men's open doubles, and we have a mixture of Kilkenny and Monaghan with Kyle Dunne and Owen McGinty, and then we have two Carrickmore boys, the two Daly brothers, Dara and Keelan.
One hand off.
We can see here that
2-9.
Carrickmore have taken a strong lead at 9-2. Oh, they caught a bit. Tied up on each other there. Doubles is an interesting game because some people are so used to playing doubles with each other that it just looks so satisfying to watch between the pair of them. Both players know where each of them are at every given time. So it's such an interesting game. And I've heard from talking to people that there can be a lot more thinking in doubles compared to singles because you have to think of two people rather than
4, 7 and 9.
So, yeah, it's up to debate, but I can see where they're coming from also.
Time out. 5-9 coming back in.
Time out by the two Carrickmore boys as McGinty finished off another great serve from around the back wall there. 9-5. Kyle and Owen are still in serve. They have gotten someone. You may have taken Dan McVicker's place, but he'll be okay.
Time back in, 5-9.
Better than Dan McVicker anyway, and he knows it.
Great. Today has just been a day of guilt tripping people into doing commentary with me, and I love it. I love it.
6, 7 and 9.
Respect for everyone that does the volunteering around here. Between ref and commentating and the food and everything, it's just brilliant. But back to the game. The two lads, Kyle and Owen, are actually catching up with the two Carrickmore boys.
Yeah, they're pinning a few point back, alright.
Good shot by Kyle there, good pick.
Rally. 7-9. Sharp ball, clip the line. Watch your back line as well. Footfall down the back line.
Back wall for Owen.
I think I'm right in saying that Killen is the only one out of the 4 that has played today already.
Yeah, I think you're right.
I don't think Kyle was playing today.
Right. No, and Owen only came there recently.
9 serve to 7.
Dara, I don't think was playing either.
Dara wasn't in the singles, no. So Killen had a bit of a slog with Killian earlier on today. So I would say he's a wee bit sore,
especially against Killian,
and a bit tired.
Yeah.
So he's doing.
Jeez, that's 2 times
collision.
Now. That's
one hand off.
Now that they've kind of crossed over on each other.
Not
9
sure
serve
what
to
Killen
7
was doing in there.
No.
To be fair, that was just all Dara's ball there.
Silly.
So
I was saying before you came on that doubles can actually be a bit more interesting of a game for each person because you have to think about 2 people rather than just yourself.
There's about 101 things that you have to think about before you hit it. Your position, their position, your partner's position.
It's just
your shot, their shot.
The mental load is doubles, you know, even though you think doubles would be an easier game because I have another person here to help me along the line. But
getting out of the road and trying not to get into another person's way, and it's hectic. But
if you can play doubles right, it is so satisfying.
I love doubles.
I
love doubles.
But it is class.
It's class. Organised chaos is what I call it.
That actually is a great way to put it.
Organised chaos. Oh, great finish from Owen.
Yeah, and Kyle knew he was coming over on his side. Just
stepped out.
You do you.
7 serve to 9.
The boys have pulled a good amount of points back here,
so
Carrickmore would need to kind of put the shift back on.
When I came up, they were 9-4 down, so
yeah,
they've come.
I think they've actually came from 9-2.
Have they?
Yeah, I was here at 9-2, so
yeah.
Oh, what a finish.
What a finish.
You should have seen that
The
coming
thing
though.
about Owen is he can be so relaxed about it, and he just kind of like
Throws it in.
lastminute.com bag, and then
Yeah.
he just
Hits him the
throws
nine.
it.
Throws it in.
Yeah.
but It was visible from the back, so I don't know how
Sharp
Dara
ball.
didn't really eyeball that.
Second
Yeah,
serve.
I know.
Kind of just watched him do it, to be fair. There's Daniel McVicker giving
Oh,
off
good.
stink
He got
because I
food
stole
though.
his seat. I'm sure he's delighted, but he can relax for a wee bit.
Yeah, he can enjoy the
Oh,
food.
hard luck, Dara.
Oh, unlucky
Point.
All square now at 9-9. I'm not sure the boys were prepared
Get her
for
9.
this at,
No.
that last time out.
It's a good shot though.
Oh, that's a
yeah,
great shot.
Great shot, Owen.
All right.
And for the first time, they're in the lead.
It's a point.
There we go.
10 serving the 9.
It's crazy what a small bit of momentum will do
Yeah.
to your confidence in your shot selection. Like once you kind of
Definitely.
have a groove, you're
Contact,
kinda
play it
like,
again.
Yeah, everything just seems to kind of roll off.
smoother,
then,
yeah. So
10-9.
100%.
is Carrickmore taking a time out already, have they?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but I think it would hold
Serve.
off another point or two.
11 serving the 9.
Yeah, Ray Orr was commentating the game before.
Sharp.
And, he was saying that
Short.
he, as far as he knows, Kyle Jordan is the youngest playing in the doubles for the men's open at 19. And then I think Mark is the youngest in the singles.
Yes, that
at
would actually
21.
be about right. Yeah, I think definitely Kyle would be the youngest at 19. Yeah, I don't think there's anyone else.
That he is only 19. Yeah.
You do when he's been around
check.
kind of as long as
Yeah,
what we've
yeah.
known him as, because he's been around
Injury
the same
time,
length
is
as
it?
us. So
Yeah.
Injury time out.
you always think he's that bit older, but still only a wee child.
I know. I
Wee
know.
baby.
And he's in with all the big
Here he is
dogs.
holding his own there. He's doing rightly. Like he's some player.
Oh, he's just
Yeah, he's got
both
good
hands. Like,
Yeah, really nice hands. Experienced in the terms of
Partially to
the
doubles.
organised chaos, as I call
Yes, yeah.
it. So
I love that. I'm so good using
he's
that.
probably
Organised
quite
chaos.
comfortable in there, like, you know.
Yeah, it's mad how some people are so just used to playing doubles, and you can tell a doubles player from a singles player,
Yeah.
like, you know.
Yeah, you can,
tell who's kind of in there, and they're just kind of
done it.
completely lost. And
Deer
they're
in
like,
headlights.
kind of like me, and I'm like,
What
why
is
am I
happening?
here? Why is there so much
Who
people here?
is in my team?
What colour am I again?
No,
And then,
seriously. It can get so confusing at times as well. You're like,
Oh,
oh, God, what's
genie
going on?
Max. No, the worst is when you're going in for warming up and there's 4 people with 4 different handballs and you're just all over the place and
more
everyone's
like
looking at each other
dodgeball
like,
than handball.
oh my God, it's just, oh, stop.
That is mad.
It is good crack though.
Yep.
It is.
No
Only
worries.
handballers
It's a
can
lot of
relate.
fun. So
yeah.
we have a small timeout here. I think Keelan Dilly may have ripped his finger when he scraped it against the wall there to get a
Oh,
ball.
yeah.
So he's got a little bit of blood on his glove and stuff. So he's just getting that stopped and replacing his gloves.
There's been 2 blood injuries today. Or
Injuries wise. Yeah, Shane Dunne had quite a bad collision with the wall earlier. I don't know how he managed
I
to just
don't know
walk
what
it
happened.
off.
So,
but
But yeah, I was like, oh, he hardly dislocated his knee 'cause he was
Yeah.
going for his head and then he was going for his knee.
yeah,
I seen him walk past
kinda
there
had
and
a
he looked
few-
He's
okay,
our first
but I was
one.
like, I don't know what part is hurting, but he doesn't look great.
No,
I
holding
think it was
on.
just the way he kind of fell more so. He
Yeah.
landed on a couple of items, so it probably was.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Just a
you
bit of-
lost that rally, did you? Did you lose that
mixture.
rally? Yeah. I hadn't.
So we've got the medic in now, I think, with a plaster. Yeah, just getting plastered up. He's taken a bit of skin off his finger there.
I
from
don't
what
want to
see.
look at it. I don't
No,
wanna
it's
look
nothing
at it.
major, but it's just bleeding, so
Oh.
needs to get it tipped up.
It's so handy that we have these little physios and stuff like that.
Physios and medics on hand, it's great.
Yeah. It is great for these sort of things.
Big brother Dara just kind of standing idle, waiting. Eyeballing, making sure all's okay, as big brothers do.
Yeah, exactly. Sibling love.
Yeah, both Dara and Keelan have played a good bit of doubles together. Within Tyrone, anyway. I'm not quite sure if they've done much like in All Ireland and things, but they've definitely played a lot of county doubles. So
I have seen their names.
They're well used to it. Like,
yeah,
they'd be well used to it.
They're used to each other, and sure, brothers, like.
Yeah.
I'd say they've
got the bond.
Exactly, yeah. The telepathic. Yeah, Owen and Kyle look fairly strong there now, though, at the minute.
They do. They're pushing on here, and
they're playing well together.
I actually thought that they hadn't played much together, but I was informed that I think they went. Did they go for the trials together?
I think they did.
Yeah,
from
I think
what
they
I
did.
remember.
So I would have assumed that they've done some form of training together, and it's not just a random combination of two good players.
Yeah, because for boys who live so far apart. Yeah. But I think. Is Kyle in Dublin? I think the pair of them might be in Dublin.
That would make sense, because I think Owen's definitely in Dublin most of the time at college.
Oh, Kyle is in SCTU actually. But, so I don't know where that is. I can't remember. But
I'm not sure either.
Ara.
But yeah,
handballers have to be used to travelling. We just are all used to travelling. Travelling for games.
Croke Park used to seem so far away when I was a kid. Now it's like, we skate down the road.
Oh, literally.
2-hour journeys, like.
A
dream?
Nothing.
It's a dream.
2 hours, nothing. To run that.
Yeah.
Oh, literally, I was coming up the road the last day, and I was like, it literally just went by so quick. I nearly know, I know the road off by heart at this stage.
Don't need no sat navs anymore.
Nothing.
No, it's great.
Like a local now up in Dublin.
I will be a local in Russell Street Bakery by the end of the week anyway. The woman will know me by name.
Oh my God, I need to go up there.
She'll know my coffee order off by heart. It's not too difficult in fairness, but she'll know my face.
Yeah, I said that to the boy that's on the door down at just below for
reception.
The food.
Oh,
I was like,
yes.
Get used to this face. I'll be running in here a good bit.
Well, there's Keelan, gloves back on, back in the court, so all is good.
Yeah, he got strapped up and he should be all good to go.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, still working. All right, then, resuming play.
11-9 scoreline.
11 serving and 9.
Carrickmore can whip this around a wee bit, or if the boys are just going to take advantage here and finish this off. He had an opportunity there to pass straight down the right. I don't think he thought Kyle was going that far over.
No.
Defensive play. In the back. Keelan's going for it.
Wow,
and he
good shot.
Two hands off.
That's a great shot.
9-11.
It's great to see Dara back.
It is, isn't it?
It is. I was saying earlier, he's such a stylish handballer.
Oh, yeah.
So smooth.
I remember seeing him in one wall. I think it was the Nationals.
Shot.
This was a while back, maybe like 2 years back now, and it was just so nice. He's such a nice one-waller.
Yeah,
9-11.
He's just a nice
Lovely
handballer in general.
Yeah.
He's just got really nice hands. He's very smooth. So yeah, it's very good to see him back playing.
Back in action.
I thought that was going to hit him there on the way around. Owen and Keelan's having a bit of a battle about who's going to stand where in the left. Put it. Yeah, that's a smart play.
That was a chance for Keelan.
Oh, wrap around.
Long rally here. We finish it off. Oh, go for it.
Oh, just as smooth as you
No
like.
chance. Go for it.
Oh.
When Owen hits the ball, doesn't he put his whole body?
He's going up on.
Oh, it's a full,
He
the
exaggerates.
whole thing.
Replay. I can't see it from this
I
angle.
noticed that the other day.
Yeah. Every time I watch him,
Yeah,
no one else.
Replay.
Hip, body, shoulder,
throws it.
whole thing.
Yeah.
Replay.
He puts
9, 7,
everything into
11.
that ball.
Yeah. I'm going to punish him here in the left anyway for a while.
Yeah. They're just taking Kyle out of the game, it seems.
Yeah. To an extent, yeah. Catch him when he's not ready.
Yeah, exactly.
And Dara just fumbled that with the left.
Side away.
He went for it.
11 serving to 9. Short. Second serve.
Lovely passing shot there.
Oh, geez.
Lovely passing shot from Dara, straight down the right.
11-9. Sharp.
Again with two like really good singles players.
Yeah.
Second
If you're
serve.
not used to playing doubles,
Yeah.
the want to take every shot
Yes, yeah.
is kind of always there, and you kind of nearly forget that you're playing doubles.
Yeah.
And then that sometimes can cause a bit of confusion, as you see there in the right corner.
Yeah.
Both the boys went for it and then
Replay.
the shot. So
Couple of covers.
It is true. That kind of like instinct is in you, isn't
Go,
it?
go, go. Yeah,
Just
all the time.
Get the ball. Get
11-9.
the ball,
you
get the ball,
forget
yeah.
there's somebody there to,
Yeah,
to
to
do
do
that
that for you,
position.
yeah.
So it's kind of evident there that you can see when the two singles players kind of come as one. It can be a bit difficult if you're not gelled fully. Or maybe just a lapse in communication between the two of them there.
Yeah.
12-9.
But they're doing pretty well so far. 12-9. It's a nice lead.
So far, yeah.
It's comfortable.
Point.
Screwballed that one off the roof. Backspin.
13, 7-9.
The Carrickmore boys haven't got a point since
No.
7.
Short.
Since I sat down, they haven't. So I wonder.
So the other fellas have got 6 points on them there,
Yeah.
but they've been in
Second serve.
Yeah.
twice,
Yeah.
2 or 3 times, and they haven't got a
And they
mark. So
haven't, and that's with two
that's
serves.
with 2
like.
serves, which is not a good statistic, but we'll give it another rattle.
Yeah, I'd say what happened was the two Kilkenny and Monaghan, the two boys, must have
Kieran
just
was
missed
taking them for
their
granted there now.
Yeah.
14.
He's getting a bit frustrated. 14-9
Game ball 9.
Already on possible game ball here. First game.
That's a nice spin by Owen there.
That's a lovely spin serve.
Oh, Doyle lifts it.
No target.
Oh, and a
First
nice
game.
finish there
Yeah,
from
good
McGinnity.
finish.
Very good
Now that's
first game.
First game to Kilkenny and Monaghan.
2 minutes.
Yeah, you can't really say much. The two boys just kind of took over. They started slow,
Started to
but
gel
once
a
they
wee
got,
bit, yeah.
Once they got a flow, they were fine.
I'd
But,
say Carrickmore will be kicking themselves a wee bit
Yeah,
there in that
I'd
game.
say
But
so because they had such a good lead in them. But you know, second game we'll see what happens. They might come back rare, so we'll take a few minutes of a break here before the second game starts.
Serve first. 0-0.
Now we're back again, guys, in Court 3 for game 2
Sharpa.
here, the men's open doubles. Kyle and Owen. So Kyle
Second
Jordan
serve.
and McGinty from both Kilkenny and Monaghan are against the two Daly brothers, Darren Keelan from Carrickmore. And the, what do we even call them? The yellow team.
The Yellows.
The yellow team.
0-0.
The yellow team took the first group because I can't say their full names anymore. The yellow team took the first game fairly comfortably in the end. Carrickmore were up 9-2 at one stage.
9-2 and then 9-4 and then it came back till 11-9 the opposite way. So yeah, the boys
And then
got
just
7
finished off, yeah.
7 or 8 points in a row.
1-0.
As I say, I think the Dailies were in twice or 3 times.
Yeah.
I couldn't get any
Sure.
points on 2 serves, so you can see the kind of pressure that the yellow team are putting on
Second
them here.
serve.
Like.
100%, yeah, they really just finished strong. Yeah, so we'll see if this game will be either similar or different.
Oh, well.
Good
left
shot
from Dara.
to the right. Oh,
It's so close in there. It's so hard.
yeah. Go for it. That was a good cover. Jeez.
I'm stressed. I
Can't
didn't
do
even watch
doubles.
that.
Was that?
I thought it was 2.
Oh,
What a
Fair
rally.
rally.
that was a great rally.
Oh, I do
Oh
think
my
it was 2
God.
bounces on
Point.
Keelan's.
I did think it was 2,
Keelan's
yeah,
ball there,
but
2-0.
oh, maybe
God
not.
almighty.
That was a great rally.
It's only bloody 2-0.
Christ, Bob. Good.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
he called that.
Yeah. Good shot by Kyle.
He's obviously quite annoyed with that one there.
3-0.
Boys off to a nice start with 3-0.
That's a great serve by Kyle.
Yeah, it's tight
So
in that,
tight
in that left corner.
Yeah, and then
Shot.
Owen finished it off.
Yeah, they've kind of got a wee rhythm going here.
4-0.
Now. Serves it deep, Owen finishes it off with a fly kill. It's
They've definitely.
not a bad combination to have. Oh, what a passing shot.
5.
That was stunning.
Yeah, swapping sides now with Carrickmore boys. Have,
5-7-0.
swap sides.
I did hear when it was 9-4
One hand off.
to Carrickmore in the last game, Kyle's dad mentioning swapping
5-0.
sides and putting Kyle in the
yeah?
left. Which I'm not going to say is a smart idea because he's clearly doing all right there, and so is
Yeah.
Owen, but
Sometimes
possibly could
yeah.
have
6-0.
been a stronger idea, but they figured it out here somehow, so they're doing okay.
The fact is, they won the first game.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go change it if they
No,
went into
I
it.
wouldn't
Unless
change it
something's
now.
going drier.
Well, it was dire at that time. They were 9-4 down, but
Oh, true. They were
figured it
9-4
out.
down.
Right.
Yeah.
They figured it out. They're doing well.
0-7-6.
The men's bracket is not easy by any means,
No.
no matter what round you're in. So if you win, you have to play.
Yeah.
You have to play
That's
well.
it.
Oh,
Wow.
Nice
and
shot.
a mouse out of the corner.
Jeez, Owen is playing very well today.
One hand off.
Got the
0-6.
shots.
Screen ball.
So 2 of those
Two
in
serves.
a row is actually a fault.
Is it actually?
It is.
No way.
Yes. So if he were to hit Dara again there, that would have classified as a short.
Yeah. What?
Oh,
Good shot by
lovely finish.
Dara.
Inside out.
1-6.
Don't take it for granted. That'll do. Shots that you think, oh, this is it, it's over, and then you
Yeah.
forget the other players there.
Yeah, literally.
You just
Oh,
forget.
good
That was a
finish
lovely
there.
shot, right in front of Keelan's feet there. That was a smart move
Yeah.
from Dara.
That was just perfectly placed.
2-7-6. Then again.
Oh, cover ball.
Yeah.
Dara
Good.
didn't really move out of the way there.
Good call by Mark.
He's not doing too bad up there. We Mark Doyle. He's doing
No,
rightly.
he's doing grand, yeah.
He's doing rightly.
Yeah, it's always sad when you
2-6.
lose and you have to ref. It's always
Nothing
like, oh, jeez,
sadder.
leave me alone.
Nothing sadder. Yeah. There was a man today lost his final, and had to referee the next game on the court.
Play it again, cover ball, play it again, play it again, play it again.
I couldn't give him the scorecard. I had to give it to poor Gavin to give it to him because I just couldn't break the news.
No.
2-6.
Sorry, I'm not doing that.
No, that's
cruel.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
brutal.
that was, I think, the
Brutal.
cruelest I've ever seen. Yeah.
Oh.
Need towel on.
Ankle breaker.
3-6.
I don't know where it's going. Oh, I'm looking a bit of a replay there, but I don't think it was necessary. I think Dara gave him enough space. It looked
Fine.
okay from the back here anyway. I don't know what it looked like from up top.
Yeah, I don't know. I think Mark was thinking the same as us.
Yeah,
4-6.
He definitely gave him enough space there anyway. Close it. Oh, that was a weird one.
No, good shot.
He needs to close that front.
Oh dear.
See it? Come in.
Oh, what
That's
a
a
shot.
good shot from Kennedy.
I thought that was alright. I thought you went this and then he came back on it.
I thought it was good as well.
Dara
Yeah.
was looking
Say
right
the
there,
way.
I thought it was fine as well. So that's
6-4.
3 votes to 1
To
there.
1, yeah. Sorry,
it's
Dara.
definitely okay. It's funny though when you're in there, it seems so much
Yes,
worse than
yeah,
what it looks
yeah.
out the back. So it
100%.
probably did put him off, but to the same extent, it looked perfectly fine from here. So
Yeah, 100%. Now, great. Oh, put in front there.
corner.
Oh. Yeah, everything's going to own it. Up.
Round the back.
Yeah.
And a nice finisher from Dara.
Dara is killing ball this game. He's
Yeah.
playing well.
They've
Maybe
both
the swap
kind of
of
upped it a wee
sides.
bit.
Yeah, the swap of the
Stay
sides
away.
kind of worked for them.
6-4. Sharp up.
I would have said Keelan's probably more comfortable in the left, or in the right in general.
Or
Really? I wouldn't know him very well as like a doubles player.
I
to be
think
honest.
anyway, in my brain, that's where I envisioned
Would
him
put
being
him.
before. Because I just think Dara.
Alright, one
anywhere,
serve.
To be honest, as I say, he's just a doubles player. I know he's
6-4.
played a lot of singles, but he's really good in doubles.
Yeah.
So I think you could kind of put him anywhere and he'll be fine. So that might have just been the little momentum change that they needed. 4-6. Front of the court's very open for Owen going around the back. Press a little bit more. Ooh, they got away with
2
that.
hands off.
They got away with that.
4-6. One screen.
6-4.
4-6.
Still kind of nobody's game at the minute. Now chance.
Oh, go
Good
on.
shot. Good shot.
I think before the
again.
Carmel boys were pressed
One hand
a
off.
lot closer to the front. They were kind
Yeah.
of covering Owen's
4-6.
kills.
Yeah.
But both of them have stepped back nearly to the dashed line there now, so it's leaving it quite open for Owen to shoot, especially on and off the glass.
Yeah, and especially to
Like
a boy
it's-
who loves to
you
shoot.
know, he loves to shoot off the glass, so you need to be in on top of that. I just didn't think that they're doing that as
Two
much in
ups.
this game.
2
I
ups.
think it was 2. Yeah, he's kind of giving it up to the ref there to
Yeah.
decide, but I think it was 2.
5 turn to 6.
5-6 now. No point in it.
Dara that's ambitious.
Oh,
On a roll out.
what a shot.
Shot. 2 hands off. 6-5.
Kelly went for the crack serve there, just missed. Oh, this is a setup now if he takes it. He didn't.
No, I'm surprised he didn't
Oh my
go
god.
for it. Yeah. Kind of
Yeah.
get those all day.
Yeah, Dara just didn't make the right choice
No.
there. No, in both the shots actually.
7-5.
Just a little bit too easy for the boys to pick up. Close the front. See what I mean? They're
Yeah.
kind of leaving it a little bit too open for the boys' shots.
Oh, wow.
1 hand off.
Stylish as always.
As
shot.
always. Yeah, Kyle's a bit annoyed with that one.
7-5.
Yeah. In.
Play it again.
Yeah, I think probably right decision.
Oh, great call, but that was a skinny
Yeah.
rally there. They kind of nearly left it too
7-5.
close there. Pressure now seems to be on Dara.
Play it
A
again.
lot
Back.
more.
Swing on. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
What's he giving that a play over?
Yeah,
7-5.
Kyle and Keane are a bit too close.
Yeah, there we go. I didn't think it was a
Point
cover.
8.
Ball always
Humble
talks.
gods. They
8-5.
always come round.
Talks.
Spin.
Oh, what a spin. Oh,
My
jeez.
goodness, if Ken had just
Oh, he's just
completely
trying
blocked
to-
him out there, and he still got
wow.
it.
Wow.
Thanks.
He
My
was just
God.
completely snooking there a minute ago. Yeah.
They completely sandwiched him in that back corner, and he still killed
Point.
it. How did he even manage that?
9-5.
That was mental. Gonna go again. Oh. Yeah.
No, I don't think he.
No, he was there. If Kyle wasn't there, he'd have picked it.
Replay?
Was it a replay?
Replay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He was going to get it. I thought he was going to get it.
He has actually got an argument there because, in fairness, if Kyle's foot wasn't
Replay.
in the way, he would have
probably
picked
would have
it.
picked it. Yeah.
But at the same time, it was a good passing shot by his opponent to hit it around his feet.
Yeah.
So
You
you could argue it either way
Yeah.
there, but I think Mark was right to call that, should we say. Dara was one, I think, to give it up.
Yeah.
He was
Dara
like, no,
"That's
no,
fine."
no. And Killen was like, absolutely not.
No, we are getting a replay for this.
Dara's kind of calling Killen to push forward there for opportunities like this to cover both sides. Oh, shoot. Going in on top of it like a rocket.
Wow.
We've seen it coming.
Owen is playing unreal this evening.
Yeah.
He's all over the
He's
place.
definitely making up for the
He's all
first
over the
few
place,
mistakes
yeah.
that he made in the first game. He's
10-5.
pushing the boat out here now. They're 10-5 up. Like, lovely spin serving to the right.
It's your first.
Carrickmore
Timeout,
taking
yeah.
their first time out at 11-5.
60
Possibly
seconds.
too late
Yeah, I think it might be it.
to swap the
tad
momentum.
bit too late.
A little, I think maybe 8-5 would have been ideal
I think
for a first
yeah.
time out. But
because these boys are
yeah, they like to just
strong.
let
They
go.
just
So
keep going, keep going, keep going.
anything kind of wrapping around that left wall onto the back glass, Owen just seems to be going for it. Like, he
Yeah.
just seems to be rocket launching it. And as I said before, the Carrickmore boys have pushed back, giving him the chance basically to do that, because if you're not on the front short line when he's in there to do that, you're not going to be quick
Yeah.
enough to lift it. Like, so I don't know if they haven't eyeballed that yet, or why they're still planning on standing back. I don't know what their plan is, but they may need to think about mixing it up a little.
10
now,
seconds.
keeping Owen off the glass.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
probably
he
their
is. He
safest
loves
bet.
he loves shooting from the glass. So
Yeah.
like,
Time in.
he's a proper launcher off the glass. So
yeah,
yeah, this will be an interesting.
finish.
I was going to say 15 minutes, but it may not be 15.
Yeah.
But
All right.
definitely it'll be
Because
an
the boys
interesting finish regardless. I
Own the
think.
the
serve.
yellow team have serve now, so and they're ahead.
11-5.
They're well ahead.
Sharp.
Short ball.
Second serve.
I have a feeling this is the last game of the night, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, I think everyone's kind of shuffled over to the bleachers behind us. Oh, proper setup for Jordan.
Oh,
Well, I couldn't see the ball bounce.
Dara's looking for a skid.
You're in my line fire. Did anyone
Never
else
seen
show us up the ball there?
Our monitor here isn't working, so we can't.
I'm not really sure. I couldn't see it. There was
Yeah,
two
I
people in
don't
front
see
of
it
us. So
Yeah, there's a wet. There was a wet on the ball. I couldn't see it with him either, but the ball was wet, so replay.
okay,
Yeah, so it is. Skip
Was. Yeah, so skip ball.
ball's wet. So
I
they're
couldn't
going for
see
a
it,
skip
you're-
ball there. So fair enough.
Replay ball 11-5.
There we go. 12-5.
12.
Yeah, what is this?
You can kind of see Owen winding up for a shot like that. His arm nearly turns inside out, and then he
13-5.
spins it out. It's an odd kind of swing, but
It
I
works.
think it's only see that he turns it the other way and then he
completely
spins
goes
it
like
out.
that.
Yep, he's the only person I've
definitely doesn't even
ever
know he's
seen
doing it either.
No, it's just pure habit. But
Yeah.
he's the only
14
person I've
match
ever
point.
seen do it. But you can see it happening the minute he goes to shoot. He's winding his arm the opposite direction. There you go. And he's I don't know what it is, whether it's a power propeller or if it's just I don't know. But
Oh,
It's a game.
lovely finish
Well
to the
done.
game there with McGinnity
Great
shooting off the
finish.
glass once again.
yeah.
I start.
McGinnity really played well this evening.
Yeah, he did. He upped it
And
there.
Kyle
for
was there. He was there for any shots that needed them, you know. But yeah, that's the last game of the night. And we've got to another day of the work.
No,
what day are we
And
on?
I only had to have one coffee.